I'll be teaching you how to download Python on your computer. Open your web browser. On the search bar, type python.org. Press enter. So this is the website, the official website of Python. So I'll go to downloads page. On it, I'm using Windows PC, so I'll just click Windows. I'll choose the location, then save. Then I'll open the folder. This is it. I'll double click on it. The app you are trying to install isn't the Microsoft Verify app yet, because I'm not installing it from Microsoft Store. So just go ahead, install anyway. Before you install, check on this add python.extension to path. Check on this checkbox. Then go ahead and click on installation. So I'm done with my installation. Now, how do I know that I've installed Python there? I've installed Python, but I cannot see it. Go to your search bar, or you press on the Windows key. Type cmd. Then you choose the command prompt. On it, type Python to check whether Python is installed on your PC or not. So I have Python installed PC. You can see it, Python 3.13.1 installed on my PC. Go ahead and test the print. So Python is working, that's executed. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.